We are pleased to show you the 2018 Durango. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, front license plate bracket, 4-wheel disc brakes, power sunroof. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, HD radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, overhead console. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.